Okay. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the podcast. I am really excited to have an avid reader I just learned about, Katie Abbott, who is general counsel of Puppet, here with me today. Katie, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me.
So, Katie, we just walked around a little bit, and I don't think we mentioned it, but I saw the library that you guys have here. I'm learning that you're an avid reader, and I want to get into sort of all of that. But for those that may not know about you or may not know about Puppet, walk us through who you are, how you came to be general counsel here at Puppet, and we'll start the journey there.
I worked with Puppet as outside counsel for a few years before joining as Puppet's first and only attorney in 2014.
Wow.
I'll be honest, I was terrified.
Yeah. So they poached you.
They did, yes. But it was a mutually agreeable coaching.
Yeah.